Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic fixmyspeaker.com reviews, and this topic is grabbing a lot of attention in the Kazakhstan. So guys, in this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Guys, this is not our website, and if you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question: should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So guys, let's move further and talk about what this website is basically offering to the customers. Guys, here they mention that they offer subwoofer repairs, subwoofer parts, recon kits, adhesives, shines, solder, raw voice coils, spiders, cones, frames, gaskets, rebuilds, custom speaker rebuilds, and many more. So guys, you can check those products by visiting their official website. Now guys, let's move further and talk about their payment policy, for which we need to go to the FAQ section. Click on the FAQ section, and here we go. Here they mention that they accept PayPal account, debit, credit, and money orders. And now guys, let's talk about their shipping policy, for which we need to go to the again in the FAQ section. Here they mention for most parts orders, processing time is 1 to 3 business days plus shipping time, and the shipping time depends on your location and the shipping service used. When shipping subwoofers back from repair, we ship in FedEx ground service unless otherwise instructed. And now guys, let's move further and talk about their legitimacy checkpoints. But before going further, I request you all to like the video, share the video, and subscribe our channel, as this will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting videos for you. Now guys, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So guys, this website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure. Besides this website has been registered on 19th Feb 2006, and hence this is an old website and totally reliable. Now guys, if you want to know about us page, let's check into it. Guys, here is no any particular section of about a section, but in the home page they mention the whole story about fixmyspeaker.com is the high performance speaker rebuild and repair provider in the world today. We provide customer direct subwoofer parts and repair services, as well as supplying many of today's top manufacturers with parts. So guys, let's move further and talk about their contact address. Click on the contact us section. Guys, here they does not mention their contact address, but if you want to know about their email ID, here they mention info@fixmyspeaker.com. Now guys, let's talk about their social media presence. Let's check into it. Click on the social, and here is a 3 account of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Now guys, if you want to know about the return and refund policy, click on the FAQ section. Let's check into it. Here they mention cancelling an order after the payment is received will incur a 10% processing fee. If a custom product has been built but has not yet been shipped, the fee is 20%. And if the order has been shipped, the customer must return the product at their expense. The fee is 20% and the original shipping costs are not refunded. So guys, now if you want to know about their customer reviews, here are so many customer reviews, so you can check here. There is a one screenshot about, so you can order parts of their site. Are they still up and running? I don't know anything about coils, but I'm looking for this coil and I need to see if they carry it. Here is one screenshot about this of one comment. Mostly in the comments are of up to the questions comments like any idea when you guys will be opening back. Should I be worried or at all concerned that these guys have had my sub for months with no contact from them? Then I notice there is no address of the place or phone number. Only way we try to contact them in through on our internet fall forum. With a bunch of other dudes, we are complaining about the some shit. So mostly the comments are negative comments. So if you ask about the website content quality is also not so good because most of the part is copy paste from the other websites. So guys, on the basis of above discussion, we advise you do your own research effectively before investing your time money in such websites, and you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like the video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you.